Hollywood was rocked recently as news broke of a beloved couple's unexpected split. Behind the scenes, sources reveal shocking allegations and heated arguments were tearing this power duo apart. Just before their dramatic announcement, they were seen at an exclusive gala, putting on a brave face, but insiders claimed the tension was palpable. Social media buzzed as fans dissected every moment, looking for hints that something was off. This revelation left many questioning the true nature of Hollywood relationships, and if anyone is ever really safe from the glare of the limelight.